Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Madam Nomaiza binti Abu Bakar. So today, I and my group member will present about fieldworks in Survey Engineering course BCC 20063. The title for this fieldwork is setting up. So before I and my group members continue this presentation, I would like to introduce myself and my group member first. Me, Muhammad Iman bin Muhammad Noor. My matric number is 01DKA21F1078. Second, Muhammad Hamdani bin Muhammad Hamzah, 01DKA21F1079. Third, Zahar Nizam bin Zaid, 01DKA21F1102. And lastly, Muhammad Aminuddin bin Muhammad Zahar, 01DKA21F1149. Okay, this is table of content for our presentation. First, introduction, theory of setting up. Second, equipment. Third, analysis and data calculation. And lastly, comment and conclusion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Madam Nomaizan. My name is Muhammad Iman bin Muhammad Noor. My matric number is 01DKA21F1078. So, for this presentation, I will present introduction about theory of setting out. Setting out is the translation of construction plan into physical points on the ground that can be used as a basis for the actual construction. Construction surveying provides not only the horizontal location of new structure, but also the vertical information required. The setting out survey consists of locating and marking horizontal and vertical control point of the layout structure. The setting out survey will start with calculate information from the drawing to ensure that first, building can be positioned correctly along with all the necessary structural components within it. Second, all the structural components are built to the correct level. Third, lines and level for structural roads, drainage and earthwork as provided. When a site layout design has finished plot, all the information is accurately transferred onto site. Using the latest survey instrument, setting out point can set up on site required based on design drawing and design coordinates. In addition, the setting out work also include the checks survey at various stages throughout the construction process, which involve the independent checking of points set out by others where quality monitoring is required. So that's all for me. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hamzani bin Muhammad Hamzah. My matric number is 01DKA21F1079. I will talk about the equipment and function in this report. The firstly is peg. Peg is a stick used to mark our residential boundaries and indicate point and position of a site. They are usually made of wood, although some are made of metal or plastic and come in different size and color tops. Number 2 is ringing rod. A ringing rod is a surveying instrument used for marking the position of station and for sighting of those stations, as well as for running straight lines. Initially, these were made of light, thin and straight bamboo or of well-seasoned wood such as teak, pine or deodar. Tape measure or measuring wire. A tape measure or measuring tape is a flexible rule used to measure size or distance. It consists of a ribbon of cloth, plastic, fiberglass or metal strip with linear measurement markings. It is a common measuring tool. It's designed low for a measure of great length to be easily carried in pocket or toolkit and permit one to measure round curves or corner. Next, number 4 is cross staff. The cross staff is an instrument used to measure angles and altitude consisting of a trigonometrically graduate staff and one or more perpendicular vents moving over it. Number 5 is pole. Pole is a bar made of wood or metal and normally held vertical open which different instrument can be mounted. A prism, a GPS device. It may be a vector which predetermined length or may be graduated for different height or stage. And number 6 is tripod. A service tripod is a device used to support any one of a number surveying instrument such as theodolite, total station, lever, or transit. Number 7 is a total station was set out using coordinate and electromagnetic distance measurement. Whilst the theodolite would find the bearing, then the distance would be measured with a tape. Number 8 is the traveler. Traveler is similar in appearance to a side rail on a single spot and is portable. Traveler are used in conjunction with side rails. And lastly, the equipment and function is measuring data, is to mark and collect all data options from the firework.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Zahniza bin Zaid. My registration number is 01DKA21F1102. So today I will talk about analysis and data calculation. For the data first, if you want to get the RL, we should plus or minus between HOC and BS, IS or FS. So the RL we get for the remark A is 94.4. For the invert level A is 92.685 and B 94.305 for remark C, and for remark C 93.862 and for remark D 93.685 for remark 4, for remark E 93.615 for the TP 93.510 and for BM2 is 95.000. So this is data calculation. To find the height of the side rail, we should plus with invert level and traveler level. So the height of A, we get 0.785 meter, and for the height of B, we get 0.713 meter. Next is height of C. Height of C we get 0.990 meter, and height of D we get 1 meter, and height of E we get 0.903 meter. So that's all for me. I will pass to the Amir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you Zahanizam. My name is Muhammad Amiruddin bin Umaza and my registration number is 01DKA21F1149. So I will continue with comment and conclusion. So for conclusion, we found that setting out is important in civil engineering work. Setting out is add-on from tachyometry survey because with this method, we can find any open space by looking at the tachyometry plan. Besides that, if we need that space but there are many trees there, so we can plan to cut it from tachyometry plan, so we can know which place is suitable to make any construction. After the setting out is finished, we can determine the point and the area for the proposed structure. The location of the setting out point is at the large area, include the traverse area. After all the work finished, we can learn the setting out process and how to get the bearing and distance as an objective, and we can apply it in the future work. The location of the fixing point is in a wide area, including the crossing area. Once all the work is done, we can learn the setting process and how to get the bearings and spacing as in the objective, and we can apply it to the next job. This method has been used by all contractors around the world. So, thank you.